So you want to know how can you listen to YouTube videos or YouTube music in the background from your Android device. You are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you multiple ways on how can you do that. Just follow carefully with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. First we need to go ahead and open your browser and then go to youtube.com from there. Now from YouTube, go ahead and find the video that you want to listen to in the background. I like podcasts by Andrew Huberman, so I'm just gonna go ahead and search for Andrew Huberman and choose any podcast from here. Just tap on the video to open it. So once the video starts playing, luckily there is no ads now. So once the video starts playing, go ahead and pause it from there. This is very important. You need to go ahead and pause it. As you can see, once I scroll down from the top of the screen to access my statue bar, the video is paused right there too. So what I need to do now is to go ahead and quit the browser. As you can see here, once I scroll down again, I can play the video from here and it will be playing in the background. Now, you can do that to every single video that you want on YouTube. You can even do that to music. So go ahead and search for your favorite song and just open the song again, and let's do the same thing we do to that podcast a second ago. This time we got an ad. Let's go ahead and watch the ad real quick. And now that the ad has ended, let's go ahead and pause the video the same way we did a minute ago. So after pausing this song or video, we quit, scroll down, and we can play it from here as usual. Now let's go ahead and see what else we can do. We can minimize your screen or your Chrome browser and put it in the top right corner right here. So minimize it and drag it to the top right corner of the screen and it will stay there, and the song or video will be playing and you can listen to it in the background. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching.